What's going on, everyone? This is V6 Lifestyle here, and today I wanted to go over questions and concerns I keep getting regarding my 2016 Dodge Charger Widebody. I hope in this video I'm able to answer all your questions, and if not, feel free to leave a comment below and I will do my best to address any questions or concerns. One of the most asked questions I get is how much does the Vicrez kit cost and how much does it cost to install? When I bought the Widebody kit from Vicrez, it cost roughly $1,900, and that's not including shipping and tax. I called many different body shops and they all gave me an estimate around $2,000 through $3,000 for painting and installation. So if you want to buy this Widebody kit yourself, expect to pay around $5,000 for everything. That's why I decided to get the kit and install it with a couple friends to save around $2,000, and I just took it to a paint shop when I finished. Another question I get asked a lot is if I cut into the fenders, and to put it simply, no, I did not. Some people do cut into the fenders, but I decided not to. If you don't cut them, keep in mind the tire size because they will hit the fender flares if the tire is too big. The tire setup that actually worked best for me, and I've never ran into any fitment issues, is I'm currently running a 265/35/20 in the rear and a 245/35/20 in the front. I'm aware I could run a slightly bigger tire, but I don't mind this setup at all, and you just have to find what works best for you. And with that said, people ask if I plan on getting the Vicrez Widebody rims, and at the moment I actually like the stock rims that came with the Charger. Lastly, someone asked, what did you use to make sure the fenders stay on? 3M tape or something else? I actually used both. I used the 3M tape that came with the kit as well as the JB Weld adhesive to really make sure the fender flares won't move, and honestly that seemed to work great for me. The only issues I had with the Widebody kit so far is dips. If you're driving down the road and you hit a big pothole, or maybe your driveway is too steep, then there's a chance that your tire might hit the fenders. However, with this tire size, luckily I haven't ran into any issues with that, but just keep in mind, like any long driveways, especially if you did lower your car, you might hit the fender or you might hit the bumper, and that can cause kind of issues with that. And with that said, I hope this video helped. I'm going to try to start uploading more soon. I've just been busy and I just got a new addition to the V6 lifestyle. I recently just traded in my 2013 V6 Challenger and I got this 2013 Camaro SS. Yes, I know it's a V8, but I couldn't help it. The price was too good, so I had to get the Camaro SS. And I can't wait to mod it. I've been curious to see what my 2016 V6 Mustangs performs against the Camaro SS. And with that said, thank you all for watching. I wanted to keep this video short and to kind of inform people regarding the Widebody kit and also what's to come on my channel. So like I said, if you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you.